here at Costco at the Nitrogen Center where I'm just filling back up. So I'm finding that with nitrogen, something just to be aware, which I thought it would hold air more than it does. So I find it fluctuates during the week. And with this cold weather, it dropped by 2 or 3 pounds. So I come back, it's free for members only, they say. However, it's not monitored. So if you're not a member, you probably could still come and use it. They may ask you, but I never see anybody comes out, hey, are you a member? So just be aware of that. Very easy to do. You've got all the adjustments right here. You put the number that you want, and then it's ready to go. Like mine is 35 pounds. Now, one thing to be aware, if you are not, you want to make sure to do and add nitrogen, ideally first thing in the morning while your tires are cold. It does mention on here, if you are at 3 miles or more, you want to go at least with the 4 psi over what the manufacturer's rating is. Otherwise, go with the manufacturer's rating. And again, you want to do it while it's cold. You can see it just adjusted back to 32 pounds. And again, you'll have that right at your door jamb, the number. So they've got everything listed right here. I want to show you now how to use the lever when filling in the nitrogen. Okay, so what you're going to do is first make sure you pull the lever back, push it in, and then hold it. And then when it hits it makes the beeping sound, pull the lever back, and you're done.